I'm very blessed. I really am passionate about what I do. I don't feel that I'm actually getting up in the morning and going to work. I just feel that it's an extension of my dream.
A striking technique of decorative art with a fascinating rainbow of colors is a simple way to explain what mosaics are all about. Dating back as far as 4,000 years, mosaics were first created using a combination of different colored pebbles and is now transformed to colorful tiles and glass.
I arrived back from Canada in 2004 and it was a very stressful time for us. And I found that mosaicing was a very therapeutic thing for me to do. I really just taught myself how to mosaic and it just developed from there. I never stopped. So I used to just make things for everyone and then I got really bored with the same old tiles all the time. So I started playing around a bit. I could make my own tiles and that's how I really started. It was my hobby, it was my saving grace. I draw my inspiration from just about everything and everywhere I go. I might take beautiful photographs and then I feel that I want to do something with those as pictures or beautiful fabric that I might see somewhere. There's so much out there visual that we can enjoy, and that's basically what I do.
Mosaic not only provides a therapeutic and relaxing outlet, but the craft can also grow into a successful business venture. With the right exposure and guidance, Lemaryn has been able to create a solid, long-term source of income.
I didn't start off thinking I was going to start a business. I had a hobby. I could never stop making things. I cannot sit still. So I'm one of those people that my hands have to be busy making things all the time. And I just loved what I do. So I never feel like I'm working. It was a hobby and it just exploded from there.
The two main ingredients for a successful business are hard work and dedication. As part of her business, Lemaryn makes DIY kits that can take any beginner's fear away to help start this daunting yet exciting craft.
You grow slowly and you're allowed to make mistakes and we learn along the way. I think anybody can do it. Start small, just don't give up. It's going to happen, it's going to come together.
Most crafters enjoy mosaics as it's a craft which can be used on almost any surface to add interest and character.
The possibilities are absolutely endless. You can really take anything and mosaic it. My husband's scared that if he stands still too long, I might mosaic him, so yes. You can mosaic an old piece of furniture. You can mosaic an old mirror that's not looking good anymore. You can really mosaic any item that you think would look beautiful when it's done.
What better way to creatively express yourself than with an interesting craft? Mosaic is a very organic craft form, so it's a great way to let your creative juices flow.
I just really feel that I can express myself with my mosaics. There's no rules, there's not that much to it. It's something that everyone can do. Even your worst mosaic is still beautiful because you can take something really ugly and old and create something really beautiful. And I think that that's something that I enjoy expressing myself in that way.
Taking part in any craft can be a truly rewarding experience. The best way to get started is to visit a craft expo or craft shop in your area and get involved in workshops where you can learn the basics. From there, it's all about letting your own creativity shine.